Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is stock exchange traded fund, or ETF. Now, ETFs have become a behemoth. I mean, a mammoth in terms of size. 20-something years ago, when I started as a broker, there wasn't that many ETFs. There were mainly mutual funds. These stock exchange traded funds, or ETFs, trade on exchange, and they own a portfolio of specific stocks. They can be sector funds, they can be generic like the S&P 500 spider funds. They are an important part of the financial economy now, and people use them to invest. Financial planners, if they want to be in real estate funds, if they want to be invested in healthcare. It's a gigantic investment class. Now, these funds raise capital and trade on the ETF's value, the value of the underlying portfolio, and they trade very liquid. Now, as a side note, I was an investor in what they call the triple Qs many years ago, I think 20 years ago, I don't know the time frame, but they become very popular as they were tracking the Nasdaq 100. And the triple Qs traded millions and millions and billions of dollars of shares a day. And today it's a behemoth in terms of investments. ETFs have become such an important part of the economy and the way we invest that some people are concerned they're getting too big. Today's word is stock exchange traded fund, or ETF.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.